Yo, what's going on? Alex Jacob checking in. Got into another trade. I did a sell on GU, 37.94. Right now the market's at 37.90, and I'm up 113 profit. With 27 seconds left. I try to get in here, make another quick video. But as you can see what the market is doing here, it did rise up, but it came down, so it made a higher high. So I went with the higher high at this point. Watch the market continue to move in a downward trend, a downward move and its pullback. So it continued, the market's continuing to move down. And that's why I'm in this trade. All right. $1,100. It's $1,100, y'all. $1,100 on the in profits. Things looking pretty good. Yeah, pretty much $1,100. So everything's looking good right now. Everything's going smooth. Alex Jenkins checking out, y'all.